Most people think seeds are just toppings, but nutrition science says a single tablespoon a day can lower inflammation, stabilize blood sugar, and support hormone balance. The question is, are you eating them the right way? Today, you will learn everything you need to know in a clear, science-backed guide designed for absolute beginners. Welcome back to the Mindhunters, where we decode nutrition with evidence and clarity. Let's begin with why seeds matter. Seeds are nature's compact survival units. To grow into full plants, they store concentrated nutrients like omega fats, amino acids, minerals, and fiber. Modern studies show that adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of seeds daily can support heart health, digestion, hormones, and metabolism. We will explore the most beginner-friendly seeds, how to use them, how much to take, and essential precautions. So let's dive in. At number 1 are pumpkin seeds. They are rich in zinc, magnesium, and tryptophan, nutrients that support immunity, relaxation, and quality sleep. These seeds are easy to start with and fit well into most diets. Eat them soaked or lightly roasted. 1 to 2 tablespoons a day is enough. Pumpkin seeds are calorie-dense, so avoid large quantities. People with kidney issues should not consume them in excess due to the mineral load. Next up, chia seeds. Chia seeds absorb almost 10 times their weight in water and form a gel that supports gut health, blood sugar control, and hydration. Soak 1 tablespoon of chia in half a cup of water for at least 30 minutes or overnight. Add the gel to curd, smoothies, lemon water, or oats. Avoid eating chia seeds dry because they can cause bloating. People on blood thinners should consult a doctor due to omega-3 content. Next, beginner-friendly seeds are flax seeds. They are best for hormones, heart health, and constipation. Flax seeds contain lignans that support hormone balance, especially in women. The soluble fiber supports cholesterol control and smooth digestion. Flax seeds must be consumed ground because whole seeds pass through undigested. Add 1 tablespoon of freshly ground flax to smoothies, porridge, or salads. Increase gradually to prevent digestive discomfort. People with hormone-sensitive conditions like breast cancer or PCOS should consult a doctor before high long-term intake. Next are sesame seeds, best for bones, skin, and steady energy. Sesame seeds provide calcium, iron, copper, and sesamin, a compound known to support liver and metabolic health. Use 1 teaspoon daily in chutneys, salads, or roasted over vegetables. For better digestion, you must roast sesame seeds. Grinding is even better. If you have a history of kidney stones, limit intake because sesame contains oxalates. Next on the list are sunflower seeds. They are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin E, an important antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative damage. Sunflower seeds are best eaten roasted. 1 tablespoon a day is enough. They are slightly high in omega-6, so balance them with omega-3 rich seeds like chia or flax. Now, here is a simple, beginner-friendly seed mix that covers most nutritional needs. 1 tablespoon each of chia, flax, pumpkin, and sunflower seeds. Lightly roast pumpkin and sunflower seeds. Grind the flax seeds. Mix all seeds and store in an airtight glass jar. Consume 1 tablespoon of this mix daily. Soak for 15-20 minutes before consuming to soften the seeds and boost digestibility. It delivers fiber, healthy fats, antioxidants, and minerals in balanced ratios. If you don't want to mix them, then rotate the seeds every week. Start with small quantities and increase slowly. Drink adequate water because seeds contain high fiber. People with IBS, digestive issues, or chronic conditions should introduce seeds gradually. Store seeds in airtight containers away from heat to prevent oxidation. For more details on each seed, we have added video tutorials in the pinned comment. Check it out. For regular seed tips and updates, subscribe to the Mindhunters and share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. We wish you good health.